Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Hotmart application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hotmart application on your device, and after you open it up, you will see the Start button. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will take you into the login portal. Now, within this portal, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on I forgot my password to reset using your email address. After entering all of your credentials, click on the login button, and now this will log you in to your Hotmart account right away. And now you can immediately start using the Hotmart services after you end up within your homepage. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Hotmart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.